Packing toiletries for a trip doesn't have to be a nightmare. In fact, most travelers spend over 30 minutes just organizing their toiletries before they even start packing their clothes. Imagine this. The average traveler carries 5.5 personal care products in their carry-on, but over 60% of them end up being wasted because of leaks or unnecessary bulk. The real kicker? Nearly 75% of people don't realize that they're breaking TSA liquid rules, bringing too many liquids or oversized bottles that get tossed. You could be carrying the wrong toiletries without even knowing it. But don't worry. What if I told you that there's a better way to pack your toiletries, without the stress, the mess, or the wasted space? In this video, I'm going to show you how to pack your essentials with ease. From multi-use hacks to space-saving tricks, we'll make your packing process smarter, simpler, and way more efficient. Stick around for tips that'll change the way you travel forever. Chapter 1. The Bag Revolution. A fresh take on toiletry packing. We all know the struggle of stuffing a carry-on bag with all the essentials, including toiletries. The key to making this easier is shifting your mindset. Rather than tossing everything into your bag, think about space and organization. Start by focusing on small, compact, and multifunctional products. The right bags, pouches, and accessories can make packing feel like a breeze. You can now pack efficiently with minimal effort, without having to compromise on what you bring. Many travelers overlook the importance of a good toiletry bag. You don't need a bulky, old-school case. Instead, consider investing in a sleek, lightweight bag that's designed for carry-ons. A bag with compartments can help you stay organized. This makes it easier to grab what you need, when you need it. Efficiency should be your goal when choosing your toiletry bag. Chapter 2. Tiny bottles, big impact. The power of travel size. When it comes to packing toiletries, less is often more. Travel-sized bottles are the perfect solution to packing light while still covering all your needs. Did you know that 75% of airlines now allow liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less? This makes it easier than ever to bring your favorite products without exceeding TSA limits. The key to maximizing the potential of small bottles is being smart about what you bring. Instead of packing separate bottles for each product, combine them into one. Many companies now offer 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 products that help reduce bulk. A shampoo-conditioner combo or a body wash that doubles as a face wash can free up space for other essentials. Chapter 3. The Magic of Compression. Space-saving secrets. Here's a neat trick: compression bags. Compression bags help shrink your toiletries down, saving valuable space. They're especially useful for bulky items like towels or extra clothing, but don't overlook their potential for toiletries. By squeezing out excess air, these bags keep everything compact and easy to fit into your bag. Another clever trick is using silicone tubes or squeezable bottles. They're lightweight and flexible, allowing you to use every drop of product. These silicone bottles are often TSA approved, which means they're perfect for your carry-on. Plus, they're durable, so you don't have to worry about spills. Every inch of space counts, and compression tools like these can make your packing effortless. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're enjoying these tips, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of the best travel hacks. Chapter 4. Zero waste, maximum efficiency. Eco-friendly toiletries. Sustainability is more than just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle. Eco-friendly toiletries are not only great for the environment, but they can also save space in your bag. Bar soaps, for example, take up far less space than liquid soap and don't require plastic packaging. In fact, according to recent studies, 8 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year, much of it from personal care products. Swapping to solid versions of your favorite products, like shampoo bars or toothpaste tablets, is another easy way to reduce waste while packing smarter. These items are lightweight, leak-proof, and compact. They're perfect for your carry-on and make your packing process much simpler. Plus, you won't have to worry about spills ruining your clothes. Chapter 5. The 3-in-1 Formula. Multi-use hacks for the savvy traveler. What if you could reduce your toiletry collection even further? The 3-in-1 formula is your secret weapon. Choose products that can do double or even triple duty. A moisturizer that also works as a sunscreen? Perfect. A facial mist that hydrates and refreshes your skin while doubling as a makeup setting spray? Even better. One great example is a solid, all-in-one deodorant, body wash, and shampoo bar. It saves you from packing multiple bottles while keeping your routine simple. Multi-purpose products are a game changer, and by swapping to these, you can free up more space for other essentials. And let's be honest, the fewer items you have, the easier your packing becomes. Chapter 6. Packing like a pro. The final touches. Once you've figured out your toiletries, it's time to pack them efficiently. The best way to do this is by rolling up your smaller items and placing them into mesh or zippered pouches. This method keeps things organized and prevents leaks. Mesh pouches are breathable, so you don't have to worry about moisture buildup. Make sure to pack your toiletries at the top of your bag for easy access. You'll need to retrieve them quickly at security, and this ensures you're not digging around for your essentials. Also, think about packing your most used items in clear, resealable bags. Not only does this help with security checks, but it's also an easy way to keep your toiletries visible and accessible. When packing, think about what you truly need. Do you need to bring an entire bottle of shampoo for a weekend trip? Probably not. The more you edit your toiletries, the easier the process becomes. Fewer items mean less stress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, hacks, and everything you need to make your journey smoother and stress-free. With just a few simple tricks, packing your toiletries will be easier than ever.